making it as simple as possible. That is our approach to production management with TrakSYS as an integral part of digitizing manufacturing operations. Manufacturing operations have a lot of inherent complexities. Production management with TrakSYS is designed to address these complexities so that you can plan, schedule, dispatch, process, package, and deliver goods as efficiently and effectively as possible. TrakSYS is a purpose-built MOM platform that delivers unrivaled interoperability to connect your business and manufacturing systems involved in production management. TrakSYS communicates with your ERP to synchronize master data, schedules, and production information. From there, TrakSYS will orchestrate the flow of the information to systems, equipment, and people. Instead of isolated data within individual systems, TrakSYS becomes the force behind managing and executing production activities in a cohesive, seamless, and repeatable manner. The configurable and intuitive TrakSYS dashboards allow you to gain accurate and contextualized visibility into your production processes in real time. Manage tasks, share SOPs, and monitor progress. Make decisions based on reliable data. Use KPIs for continuous improvement, and leverage interoperability to share insights among different departments to optimally manage production. Whether your operation is discrete, continuous, or batch, regardless of the level of existing infrastructure, TrakSYS makes it possible to usher in the digital manufacturing factory of tomorrow today.